Cuba Libre, the easiest. So the ingredients are white rum, Coke, and dash of freshly squeezed lime juice. So let's get started. Take your highball glass. $60 ml of white rum. You can use any preferred white rum that you can use, but I'll be using a Bacardi Casablanca. There you go. Freshly squeezed 10 ml of lime juice. If you want, you can use it, but according to this, it gives you a perfect twist to the cocktail. And then top it up with Coke. Like I said in my previous videos, to complete a drink, all you need is a garnish. So garnish it with a lime wheel. And that's your Cuba Libre. Cheers. Enjoy. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And don't forget to drop me a comment if you have any suggestions or want to see anything special. So just drop me a comment below. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks. See you in the next video. Enjoy. Cheers.